So I'm at Amtrak in Durham. I guess you can hear me. I said I'm at Amtrak in Durham. So I think it's neat how they did the organic ceiling option. You see the beams or the joists. Obviously wood, and you see the electrical here. There's electrical. It goes to the fan, and electrical runs to the light. And then you see water, the water mains here for fire purposes, fire safety. The water mains. See HVAC here for the AC system. Again, you see electrical. Here you see it runs back through here, and you see electrical. And then you see skylights. Electrical. So again, you see electrical back there. You see the electrical runs to the fans, the lights runs to the fans, and then the HVAC is here. And then you see the water mains, the black piping system.
Baggage exceeding this limit will not be accepted on board
Here,
Amtrak trains.
Water main,
Checked baggage
water
should
main,
not contain prescription drugs,
water main,
electronics, or perishable food. Thank you for choosing Amtrak and NC5 train.
water main, and then you see the electrical that runs down, all the way down here to the fire alarm system and TVs and folks here. So yeah, electrical, water mains, HVAC, skylights, joists and beams. At the top of the water main, you can see the sprinklers there. In case there were a fire, the sprinklers would set off. But yeah, that's what that is.